Hi friends, and here we go again with another episode of Hear Yourself. This time is about grid ceilings, also known as suspended ceilings. The defining document is EN 13964, the European standard that was first published in 2004 and later revised in 2014. At Anatone, we have made EN 13964 as the basis of all the grid ceiling solutions that we offer. There are 7 sections and 14 annexures. This would make for a long video, and hence we have divided it into 3 parts. This episode is part 1, which is about sections 1 to 3. It will be followed by part 2, which will be section 4, and then there will be part 3, which will be the rest of it. Section 1 is about the scope of the standard, which is about suspended ceilings used for interior applications in general buildings. Section 2 is about normative references of other standards that are cited in this standard. Section 3 has 4 subsections. 3.1 is the definition. Grid ceiling or suspended ceiling is defined as a set of components engineered to each other and installed as one system by suspending a substructure to the load-bearing structure at a distance from the roof and the floor, generally conforming to EN 13964. 3.2 is types, and there are 3 types of ceilings defined. First type is the exposed substructure, which is a normal grid ceiling that is fully visible. Second type is the concealed, where the grid is not visible from below. Third type is the semi-concealed, where the grid is partially visible. 3.2 further defines the components of a ceiling, and there are 5. Perimeter trim, which is the wall angle. Grid connector, which is the suspension wire or rod from roof to ceiling. Main substructure is the main T. Secondary substructure is the cross T. And the hardware, which consists of anchor poles and fasteners. Next is 3.3, and you have ceiling membranes, which is of 3 types. First is square tiles, usually 2 feet by 2 feet or 600 by 600 mm. Second is panels, which are 2 by 4, meaning 600 by 1200 mm. And the third is planks, which are long and linear and narrow. 3.3 further defines the edge profiles, and 6 types are shown on the screen now. Square, beveled, grooved for concealed, riveted and grooved for concealed, riveted or steppy, tongue and groove. 3.4 talks about the different installation methods of the edge profile that were discussed in the previous section. Friends, you want the lowest cost ceilings? Well, not from Anatone, and now you know why. We cannot help being set, scientific, engineering, technical in our approach to grid ceilings. It does add some money, but more importantly, this kind of a fail-safe approach adds considerable value to your projects. Friends, if you share our passion for perfection, you are sure to appreciate this episode. I can assure you, if the current international standards are made the basis of all work, you just cannot go wrong. Hence this knowledge episode of EN 13964 for grid ceilings or suspended ceilings. We are done with part 1, and the next episode will be about part 2 and part 3. Hope you like this episode, and do let us know what you think on social media or on our website anatone.com. If you missed previous episodes of Hear Yourself, Anatone's weekly videos, do check them out on our website under the media tab. And to make sure that you do not miss the future episodes, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and do not forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications. Until we meet again, bye bye.